right, good morning, guys. I'm Mrs. Goodwin, and this is Mrs. Hayes.
Hey, guys.
Numbers from a couple weeks ago. Today we're going to do a lesson called #FindIt. We are going to start out with some social media posts that I'm going to show you. And as I show you these posts, I want you to think about, what do you notice about these posts? What do you notice about the pictures? What do you notice about the post itself? And what do you think the author or the person that made this social media post is trying to tell you? What's their main idea? So we're going to show you a couple pictures. Here we go. Picture number 1.
Alright, so this person's post says, holy cow, these pictures are only 2 months apart. On the left is Titan looking out the window with Chloe. On the right is Titan looking out the window today. He has legs for days. So what do you think the main idea of this post is?
Improvise to follow not follow, but show how much they've grown over the months.
Okay, there you go. So it says hashtag they grow up so fast. So I'm comparing.
Oh, and look how little he was.
Alright, the next one says, just on a boat ride tonight, hashtag Cherry Stone Family Campground, hashtag Cape Charles, hashtag Miss Jennifer. What's the main idea of this picture? Yes.
We went somewhere.
So we went somewhere, I was
Okay,
traveling.
be a little more specific. Where?
We went to Cherry Stone.
Okay.
Cherry, how do you know that that's where they went? It's in the hashtag. It says that they went to Cherry Stone Family Campgrounds, correct? Anybody know where that's located based off of the hashtags? You got it? It is in Cape Charles. That's correct.
Very good. Alright, the next one says, back to school selfie just because. Hashtag VSU, hashtag senior, hashtag elementary ed, hashtag teacher. So what is the main idea of this picture? Okay, I'm going back, well, I'm not going back to teaching, but I'm going back to school. So, yep. What are you gathering from the hashtags?
Come on, guys, wake up. Who else can help us out?
That I was a senior. Good job. Anything else? That I went to VSU. Very good. Alright.
Last one.
This one says, well done, Harris Teeter. Hashtag Memorial Day 2015. Hashtag Harris Teeter. Hashtag Corolla. So what is this one telling us? Yes, sir.
He did something good for Memorial that he's all veteran.
Okay, good job. So I was making a post kind of praising Harris Teeter for what they did. Very good. Where was I?
Outside.
Yes, I was outside. I was in Corolla. Very good. And when was this?
2006.
What about 2015? Okay. It was Memorial Day 2015. Very good.
All right, so you guys looked at 4 social media posts, and my question, remember at the beginning, was, what do you notice about all 4 of these social media posts? What do they all have in common? What do they all have in common? Yes, ma'am.
They all have hashtags.
They all have hashtags.
They all talk about something they're doing.
To do with what?
Something they're doing.
Something they're doing. They all have hashtags. They all have a picture, right? Don't they all have a picture? Okay, what do you notice about these hashtags when you look at this? Do they make a long list of hashtags? No, they just give a couple of hashtags. Why do you think that is? Yes, sir.
Pop up, I guess.
Say again.
So they can pop up on people's things.
So they can pop
Right.
up. What else? When you guys look at social media and you look at hashtags, what do you notice?
They're just showing like some details.
Details, you're really warm. Not necessarily details. Like when Mrs. Hayes posted this, hold on, where did I go? Gotta go back. When Mrs. Hayes posted this right here, this picture, she didn't make a long list of hashtags. Her hashtag said, they grow up so fast. So do you think that's giving us details or something else?
Oh, not for keywords.
You're so warm, come on, not just keywords, but help her. Somebody help her. Yes, sir.
Feelings?
Say again?
Feelings?
No? The main what?
Idea.
Oh, the main
Very
idea.
good.
So when you do a hashtag or a social media post, you're only going to post 1 or 2 pictures and put the big ideas, right? Because if you make this long list of hashtags, do you think your friends are going to read through every one of those things? No, they're looking for the big idea or what's the main point of this picture. All right, so today you guys are going to become expert hashtaggers, and we are going to spend a little bit of time talking about a hashtag. Hashtags are basically a method that's used on the internet to group things that go together or that are similar in their topic, I guess I should say.
So, for example, on the picture where it said hashtag VSU, it's Virginia State University, which is where I went and got my teaching degree. So if you were to click on that hashtag VSU, what do you think's going to come up? What other pictures are going to come up?
School.
The school. So anybody out there that maybe has gone to Virginia State or visited Virginia State and did hashtag VSU, all the pictures are going to be there that represent their time at VSU, right? Yes. Okay, true.
All right, so when you post on a social media platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any of those things, you add the hashtag to provide the main ideas or the key ideas of what's happening in the picture. So you're going to have a little practice today. Here we go. You need your pencil and the yellow paper.
What's up, bud?
All right, picture number 1 says, it is humid today. It feels a bit humid to me. What hashtag could you create for this photo? Write it on your yellow paper. Create your own hashtag for this photo. Remember, I don't want little baby details. I want big ideas. And FYI, that's a bunny. I thought it was a cat, but Mrs. Hayes corrected me. It's a bunny. You know, it's like a dog. I thought it was a dog.
She said it looks like a mastiff. Yeah. Good.
Oh, it does kind of, yeah. So we're looking for a hashtag to go with this post.
Well, what's the post telling you? All right. Right there.
What happened? Somebody left theirs there.
Do you want us to go with the hashtag?
Yeah, put
Yep,
the
put your
hashtag and
hashtag.
what you would write. If you were going to post this, what would you write? Anybody want to share? Yes, ma'am.
It is hot.
Hashtag is hot. Perfect. Anybody else have something different they would like to share? Yes, ma'am. Hashtag what?
Thank you.
Hashtag hot. What else? Hashtag human. How many of you wrote that? That's the one I put. Hashtag human. All right. Anybody else have something different? Yes, sir. Hashtag sweaty because it was hot outside. We're learning how to use hashtags as main items.
That's what I heard. I love it. I love the shirts too. I love the shirts. That's even better.
All right. Here we go. Picture number 2.
It says it was gonna jump. I'm holding it back. So what would be the main idea of this picture?
So you're going to write hashtag and then tell me what would you post if you posted this on the internet. All of this is leading into being able to use keywords to identify and find information.
It's great.
Yeah.
Do you do the Boolean search words and all that?
We're not there yet. We noticed that just using a website, like the library website, they don't know how to look for, use the hashtags, keywords,
What's that?
and look for stuff. So that's where we're
If you
headed.
think there's more than one, that's fine. You can put them down. Yeah, that's fine.
You good? That's right. Yours. You got one?
You ready? Yep, put your thumbs up when you think you've gotten enough hashtags. Thumbs up, that's fine. Lets us know you're ready.
I think we're almost
We're
there.
almost there, yep.
All right, you want to Paul?
All right, who thinks they're ready to share this hashtag? I want to talk to somebody I haven't talked to. All right,
Hashtag jumping.
hashtag jumping. Hashtag fall.
Hashtag holding back.
Hashtag holding back.
Ooh, that was a good one.
I'm sorry, hashtag give me some food. All right, honey.
Hashtag
Hashtag what? Bunny, okay.
Hashtag cat.
Hashtag cat, we didn't see that one.
Hashtag fly.
Hashtag fly. All right, so we could do hashtag maybe Thanksgiving, hashtag turkey, so anything like that. Good.
All right, now we're going to take it from using a picture and a meme, and we're going to bump it up a notch to make it a little bit harder. This time, instead of it being a picture, it's going to be a sentence. Don't write anything down yet. We're going to do the first one together. All right, first one says, there are 8 major geographic regions of North America. The coastal plain, the Appalachian Mountains, the Canadian Shield, the interior lowlands, the Great Plains, the Rocky Mountains, the Basin and Range, and the coastal plain, or coastal range. Now when I look at this, that's a lot of information in one sentence, right? A lot of big words, correct? But I think if I'm really looking at the sentence here, I see a couple main things really sticking out to me. The first thing that sticks out to me is that there are geographic what? Region.
Now it wants to work.
Now it wants to work. There are geographic regions, and it says how many are there? 8, and it says in North. So if I was doing this, my hashtags would say hashtag geographic region, hashtag North America, hashtag what number? 8. So basically the exact same thing as you did in the picture, but this time you're going to do it with a sentence.
Would you do 8 hashtags for the 8 different regions?
No, because then we're going to read that. No, they want the big ideas. So you're going to do number 2 right now. I'll read you number 2, and then you're going to write your own hashtags down for number 2. You can actually work with the person that's sitting at your table if you've got somebody there. So number 2 says, the United States, oh wait. The United States gained its independence from Great Britain on July 4th, 1776. I'll read it one more time. The United States gained its independence from Great Britain on July 4th, 1776. So talk with whoever's kind of close enough to you and see what kind of hashtag you can come up with. Absolutely, that's beautiful. Because that's the big whole idea, right? All right, 30 seconds, wrap it up. All right, who should I pick for a victim? You move over here. You don't have anything? You need help? That's great. That's perfect. He says, wait guys, listen, hashtag July 4th. That was a really good one. Absolutely. Yes, ma'am. Hashtag independence, right here. Say again. Great Britain. That was good. We got 2. United States.
Hashtag freedom.
Yes.
Freedom. I love that one. That's a
Good.
good one too.
All right, one more.
Hashtag 1776.
Hashtag
Good
1776.
job, you guys are getting it. All right, this next one talks about Reconstruction, which you guys just got done doing in social studies. The Reconstruction era.
This is 6th grade, not
I'm sorry, I thought it was 7th. The Reconstruction era was the period in American history that lasted from 1863 to 1877, following the American Civil War. Remember, we don't want all those little details. Your followers are not going to read them. Big ideas at the top. Come up with maybe at least 2. We got some in the video and the slideshow.